Let's take a look at the fabric effect. White yarn on the back of the fabric. The local position of the edge and middle pattern is involved in weaving. The floating line is hollowed out in the middle of the pattern. Another look at the fabric front. It can be seen that the front is a two colors reverse yarn adding. How is the floating line hollow on the back realized? In fact, it is made by hollowing out under. Let's take this simple pattern as an example. Explain how the hollow reverse yarn adding pattern is realized by ruining plate making. Switch to software. Create a ADF model. Use the import image tool. Make the snowflake pattern a simple two-color treatment. Import plate making. Color change. Change color 0 to color 8. Number 255 color changed to number 1 color. Note that the floating line should not exceed 6 pins. Here the floating line is too long. Need to be adjusted. This is the effect after adjustment. Circle select copy to intarsia. Color change. Change number 1 to number 3 color. Change number 8 to number 5. Switch to function line 216. Set intarsia normal yarn feeder, 81. Yarn feeder group setting page 1. Open the system yarn feeder setting tool. Set knitting yarn feeder number. Select Auto 1 here. Let's take a look. Area 3. It should be number 3 for the main yarn and number 5 for the wide yarn. Add number 5 here as the wide yarn feeder. Area 5. It should be 1 yarn feeder involved in knitting. Set number 5 yarn feeder to knit, and number 3 yarn feeder pulls the floating thread at this position. To achieve the effect of weaving on the front and pulling the floating thread on the back. After the setup is complete, open worksheet. Select center. Determine the location of the set. Forming. Compile. Select multiple systems switching. Compile with ADF. OK. View the boarding documents. Can be seen. Area 3 is 3 reverse yarn adding 5. Number 5 area only has number 5 weave. Number 3 stops here. The next moment is to carry the float to the weaving position, resulting in a hollow effect. After checking, you can start knitting on the machine.